Hi students, it's me, Sheba teacher. Hope all are fine and safe. Science is an interesting subject. Do you know why? Because we can prove most of the concept with experiments. Let us start our class with an experiment. Okay. You can see two glasses. One is steel glass, another one is glass. This type of transparent glass. I took hot water in steel glass and normal water in this glass. Now I am going to mix this hot water to this normal water. Don't laugh. We are doing this in our daily life, but now you consider as an experiment. Okay. Before mixing the hot water to this normal water, the hot water was very hot. But after mixing, the temperature of hot water decreased. Can you tell what is the reason? Because heat flows from the hot water to the cold water till both waters temperature become same. That is the reason. From this experiment, we can understand that heat flows from hotter area to the colder area. This flowing of heat or movement of heat we are calling as transfer of heat. Yes, today our topic is transfer of heat. There are three methods of transfer of heat: conduction, convection, radiation. In conduction, the medium is solid. In convection, the medium is liquid or gas. In radiation, no medium is required. Now you have a doubt. What is medium? Medium is the material through which heat passes. Let us do another experiment. I have taken one lighted candle and one steel scale. I am going to fix the wax of this candle on this scale by keeping equal distance. 1, 2, 3. I am dropping 4 drops of wax by keeping equal distance. Now I am going to fix this candle on this table. Okay. Then now I am going to do one experiment. Now it cools down. It is sticked on this scale well. Now I am showing this scale over this plate. The scale is getting hot. Wait for some time. What happened? Wait. Yes, the first wax is melting. Yes, it is melting. The scale become hotter and hotter. The second wax is melting. Then, yes, the third wax is melting. From this experiment, we can understand that in solid, this is solid, this scale is solid. In solid, heat transfer from hotter end to the colder end. This is the hotter end and this is the colder end. This process is called conduction. In solids, heat is transferred from hotter end to colder end is called conduction.